Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. I'm excited to announce that I'll be having a workshop in Mumbai after a long time. So this weekend I'm flying to Mumbai for a workshop. So there are few seats available. If you are interested, you can check the description or you can check the slide for our office contact number. You can contact our office. Yesterday, the Nifty opened higher, but then immediately came under selling pressure. That's because the Bank Nifty has underperformed. Private sector banks all fell yesterday. But today, it is exactly the opposite. And today, Nifty opened higher, but then continued to rally. At some point of time, it was up more than 200 points higher. And the Bank Nifty was a fantastic rally. At some point of time, it was up more than 600 points. And I said, Bank Nifty, the 51,000 call had high open interest and 50,000 put had high open interest. I said the Bank Nifty is likely to trade between 50,000 and 51,000 for today and tomorrow. But today, intraday, Bank Nifty crossed 51,000. But what happened in the last 45 minutes? That was a drastic fall. I think Bank Nifty has fallen about 250 to 300 points in the last 30 minutes to 45 minutes. That actually dragged Nifty also down. So Nifty closed below 24,700 and closed, I think, about 65-70 point lower than the intraday high. And the Bank Nifty also closed, much lower from intraday high. So definitely, although the FII data is not available, but probably FII must have sold. But the data may not show the true picture because of the Zomato block deal. So anyway, the data is not out. Tomorrow morning we will discuss. And now coming to technically, right, there was a gap at 24,200 and today that gap was filled 24,720. Sorry, there was a gap, created at 24,720. From there, there was a huge gap down on August 5. Now, after consolidating for about 2 weeks, now that gap, 24,720 gap has been filled comfortably, but then again it has closed slightly lower than that level. Now the big question is that, so what is the next target for Nifty? So as I told you today morning, 24,800 there will be some resistance because that was the first trading session's high. And then once that is taken out, the next target will be the next gap which was created at 25,000 approximately. The target for the next 2 weeks by the end of this expiry is still at 25,000 as long as global cues are good and market continue to rally. We can expect another all-time high maybe by the end of this month. You will not be surprised. The markets are looking so bullish. Looking at the open interest, there was some huge unwinding in 24,500 CE, 24,550, 24,600, 24,650. Because yesterday, intraday, the markets fell so much. So there was a huge call rating. So those people have been taken out and they would have booked the losses. Surprisingly, Nifty closed at 24,700 and today 24,700 put option added huge open interest, and I think that is the one having the highest open interest. So that shows that people are not expecting any big downside for the next 2 trading sessions. As I told you today morning, 24,400 to 24,800 seems to be the range. Probably the markets may go towards the upper end of this trading range. For the month, I still believe that 25,000 will be the resistance. But markets are getting more and more bullish on a day-by-day basis. That's because US markets continue to rally. So that is the thing. So anyway, I need to go out. So that's why I'm hurriedly preparing the speech. There's nothing much I could speak. So we will discuss the remaining things tomorrow morning. And meanwhile, so this Saturday, Sunday, I'm having a workshop in Mumbai. So there are few seats available. Those who are interested may subscribe to the workshop. So there will be an interesting workshop. It's a trend following workshop. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.